Hi, it's your coach, Joe Lucas, and welcome to your Practice Power Daily Power Minute. Welcome to Thursday. Welcome to June 14th. Hey, let's talk a little bit about failure and rejection, which I know is not everybody's favorite subject. But let's face it, your success is based upon your ability to manage, mitigate, understand what failure and rejection, mean to you. See, what a lot of our advisors try to do is try to avoid failure. They try to avoid rejection, and well, quite frankly, because it's not a pleasant experience. When I just got off the phone a little while ago today, talking to a client, and they were telling me about how a prospect came in, they went through all, the 3-meeting process, they did everything, and at the end of the day, they said no. Now we'll talk about meeting process in a different video. But I said, well, how did that make you feel? And he goes, angry, upset, kind of just wanted to totally dispose. And I said, well, here's the other question. How long did you feel that way? Because that's really the key thing. Look, the only way you avoid failure and rejection in our business is to do nothing. The key thing is, how do you process it? In other words, what are your rules, right? So for this person, it became a all-day affair. And it kind of set them off. And once you kind of go in that negative state, you go into what we call an unresourceful state. And so in other words, you're not going to want to get on the phone, you're not going to want to talk to clients, you're not going to want to talk to prospects, you're not going to want to take action, ask for referrals, so on and so forth. You basically either shut down or do busy work, and it really affects you in that unresourceful state. So what you need to do, a strategy I really like all my clients to do, is to look, let's decide in advance how we're going to handle the no. So for example, decide in advance if a prospect says no to you. Decide in advance if a client fires you, all right? Decide in advance if a team member, if they disappoint you. Decide how you're going to react to that, and then put a time limit on it, all right? So for example, if something negative happens, maybe you need to go take a half hour, go take a walk. Go hit Starbucks and get a latte. Whatever you need to do to kind of get your mind right, but set a time on it, have a strategy in advance, all right? Then, once that's over, then we can go ahead and get back into our resourceful state. Because like I said yesterday, it's about avoiding the dips. It's about avoiding the slumps. That's really critical in our process, okay? And then for today's brain food, a nice little article by David Allen, our kind of productivity guru, and it's attached there. It's a box.net file, which is a PDF which you have to download. So I hope you enjoy reading that today. Have a great Thursday, and I'll see you tomorrow for the end of our week.